Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to create a Jira ticket using REST API. So Jira is a tool which is designed by Atlassian. So it was originally designed to track defects and bugs, but now it is a powerful work management tool to manage all kind of use cases and requirements and test case management. To create a Jira ticket using the REST API, first of all, we need a Jira account. So for that, you have to come to this page and click on this, get it for free. So now you click on this Jira management service, click on this, then next. It will ask you to create Jira account using your email ID or Google. I'll click on this Google. So click on create your account. So once it is signed up, so what it will ask? It will ask you for the site name. Basically, you can give your company name or your team name, whatever you want to give, you can give the name. For now, I'm giving just Geek Stack. Okay, so if it is not taken, this name, it will mark it as green. So I click on continue. Okay, so it will ask for you a few questions. You can select whatever you want based on your company details. Okay, it will take some time to do this setup for you. So this, if you want, you can give the detail. If you don't want, you can skip it. I'm just keeping it for now. Okay, this also you can skip. You can select whatever suitable for you. So I've just selected this option. Click on next. So you can select for which one. You can select Kanban, Scrum model, or bug tracking. I'll just select Scrum. You can give the project name. I'll give my project name Gig Stack. So let the key be Gig. It is suggesting you the key. So if you want, you can keep it. You can change it also. Okay, I'll just keep it the key name. This is useful while creating the using the API to create the tickets. So I'll just click on create. So when you see, this is the dashboard for the Jira. Okay, so you can see your project details, whatever the projects are there. This is the project which we create. This is the default project which is given by Jira. Now let's see how to create a Jira ticket using the REST API. So to create a Jira ticket using the REST API, here are the details. You can see it the API details, documentation about the API. You can find the different APIs. Go down. Come down, you will see this creating a history using the project key and the field names. So this is the API which we are going to use. Let's go to the Postman. This is the payload which is required to create a Jira ticket. So this payload, you will find it over here. See, this is the payload. Sorry. So I have used the issue ID instead of the issue type name. Okay, so this I'll tell you how to find this one. Go to your Jira dashboard. See here, you'll see the projects. Click on view all projects. Select this one. Do project settings. Okay, come here. You see, these are the types of issues. So once you click on any of these issues, you'll see the number over here. This is the number you see, right? This is the ID for that type, issue type. So this is the 10004 is for the bug type. Suppose I'll select this one story type. So this is 1111 10001. So this is how you will find the IDs for the issue types. So now let's come back to the postman. We'll make a call from the postman. So first what we'll do, we'll go to this API page. You will see here, this is the endpoint which we are going to use. So I'll copy this path, paste it over here. Then we need the host name, right? So we'll see this is our host name. Okay, so we'll copy this, paste it over here. Okay, so this is our endpoint to create a Jira ticket. If you see here, this is the payload to create a ticket, right? So these are the key which you need to create a ticket. Key should be our project key. Okay, our project key is Geek. So we'll come here, we'll type the same name, GEEK. We'll give some dummy summary and some dummy description, and our issue type is 10004, which is a bug. Let's click on this one. You see, you are getting this error now, 400 bad request. Why you are getting this error? Because in the header, we are not passing any kind of authorization. So we can't simply come here and send the payload and pass the key and the host name. We create a ticket. We need the authorization. So once you get this error, so what you have to do, you have to pass the authorization in the header. So come here, you can select basic auth. So you have to pass the username and password. For this username and password, what we have to do, close this, not required. So we'll come over here. You see your account settings. We have to click on the security. Okay. So you have to generate a API token. So for that, you have to click on this. You can give any name. I'm just giving API call. Anything you can give. Just copy this name. Okay. Copy it. Close. You have to pass this in the password and you have to give the username. You can pass the email ID also. This is my email ID. So I'll now make the call. You see that now call is success. We get it to 201, which is created. So this is the ID for our defect and this is our key geek-1. So this is the standard which they are following, the naming convention, and this is the URL which you can directly see that one. Go to our page, go over here, click on this one. Okay, so click on this issues. You see, this issue has been created. Just click on this. You'll see this one. This is the ticket key. This is the details, the description. So this is the process to create a Jira ticket using the Postman. In the next video, we'll see how to create a Jira ticket using the Spring Boot application with REST template. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.